This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 28th of October. I'm Michael Groff. Our first real taste of fall in the valley, finally, with the coolest weather we've had so far this season in here this week. The high deserts might see a freeze, and then we'll see a warming trend by the time we get to the weekend. Let's talk about it. First, the Almanac from yesterday, 88 degrees the high in the valley, 57 was the morning low. And outside right now, here just after 8 a.m., we've got mostly sunny skies in the valley, 61 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 23, humidity 23%, the wind from the west-northwest at 15, gusting to 22, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, most of us beginning the day in the 50s to about 60. The upper air look, we've got a deep trough moving through the western states. A cold front has already moved through the southwest states, and that's bringing in that much cooler and breezy weather to the valley. And on the watch warning map, we've got a number of winter weather advisories and winter storm watches and warnings through the Rockies, the Intermountain West, obviously over California. Some areas very, very dry, and with the windy conditions expected there, red flag warnings and excessive fire danger in those areas. Of course, here in Arizona also, fire danger, a big concern for the next several days. Meanwhile, we've got some dense fog advisories over parts of the deep south this morning. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather anywhere across the contiguous United States. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. No rain here in Phoenix and not much to speak of statewide. The dry weather pattern will continue, but let's talk about this cooler air now as we go to the models and have a look at it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's a cold trough moving through the central and northern Rockies, a northwest flow here down at the surface. Yeah, they'll be getting some snow over there toward parts of Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, and New Mexico. But here, it's a sunny day, dry conditions, and much cooler. Highs low to mid-70s. Get out and enjoy it. Have lunch outside. Go for a walk. It'll be perfect. Tonight, clear skies, colder. The coldest weather we've had so far, lows in the 40s. And then tomorrow, sunny skies, low to mid-70s. Now on Wednesday, another reinforcing shot of cool air moves through the west as another system passes well north of Arizona. A cold front comes through, sunny, breezy. Highs somewhere between about 67 and 70. So we'll be around 12 to 15 degrees below normal. Right now, Halloween, we start the day on Thursday in the 30s in the colder valley locations, low to mid-40s in the urban core. The high deserts up there above 3,000 feet, you'll likely see a freeze or at least your first frost of the season. And then the day on Thursday is sunny with highs in the low 70s. The trick-or-treaters, by the time you get out there Thursday evening, should be somewhere in the upper 50s and low 60s. Now Friday, we start the day out again near 40 to the mid-40s, highs mid to upper 70s. And then over the weekend, we'll see that warming trend picking up again. Highs get back to the low 80s for both Saturday and Sunday, but the sky stays sunny. Conditions remain dry. Let's go to a week from today. This is Monday, the 4th of November. The flow pattern starts to weaken a bit. Still a weak westerly flow aloft. Kind of a Rex block over the eastern Pacific. No real big changes in the overall weather pattern, though, generally speaking. High temperatures somewhere in the low to mid 80s. And going out 10 days, this is the end of the forecast period, Wednesday, the 6th of November. Still kind of a Rex block here. Indications of some upper low maybe moving into the southwest. Might there be some moisture with that, I suppose, but this is 10 days out. There's a lot that's likely to change between now and then. The bottom line is it does not look like any significant rain chances are coming our way anytime soon. And taking a look at the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. Oh yeah, a nice cool week ahead. Lows down in the 40s, even in Metro Phoenix, even in the urban core, the urban heat island, and much cooler than that for the outlying areas. Then we'll warm it up this weekend, and more or less temperatures stay pretty close to seasonal averages for the first week of November or so. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be alerted. Your comments, suggestions, and questions always encouraged, like this one that a viewer sent in on Friday on our video, asking what are the probabilities that we'll see any rain at all for the rest of the year, 2019. Now, statistically speaking, I think we will see some rain here before the end of the year. It would be very unlikely that we don't, but certainly rain chances are minimal for the next 10 days, even going out 2 weeks. Looking at some of the models all the way out through 45 days. Looks like below average precipitation is likely to continue. And so we will see, though. This can obviously change. All right. We'll see you back here tomorrow morning. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Have a great Monday, everybody.